Hey guys, welcome to Rasoi Joy with Gurmej. I don't know where Rasoi Joy came from, but hey. So we're making parathe today, aloo wale parathe. So all we need to do is peel the potatoes, which I've just done. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm cutting an onion at the same time and my eyes are just watering. So peel the potato, cut the potato, put some water in a pot, and then put it to boil. There you are. You see the lovely cut potatoes? If you want, you can stick a bit of slight oil or salt in there if you really want. You don't need it though. You can do all that business later. So this is the first step to making aloo wale parathe. In other words, people flatbreads or potato filled chapatis. Yeah, so that's the first step. So we've got the next step to do. Once those have fully softened up, really, you got to wait for them to soften up now. So next part is the potatoes are fully boiled. I've got rid of all the water, and now all we need to do is mash and mash and mash. Mash the potatoes. There you are. Get a masher. Makes life so much easier rather than using your hands. And you just mash. Mash the potatoes. It shouldn't take long. I'll just put it on top of the chopping board for now. And you just mash away, mash away. Oh, yeah, that's like so there you are. So that is step 2, complete of making aloo parathe. So guys, I mashed up the potatoes and I actually kneaded them into my dough. The dough looks a bit yellowy because there's a bit of dal in there as well. Dal is lentil curry. So I had a bit of lentil curry left, put a bit of potatoes, kneaded it all together, and there you have it. There is the end result. Some of them are made already. You can make aloo parathe in different ways. You can make them like that, mashed all up into the atta, or you can make 2 rotiyan and then put the mixture in between the aloo filling. Hey guys, I'm just doing pere, just like small little balls, making small little balls from the big main dough, and then doing this, putting it in the flour. I have one of my parathe on the tawa at the moment. Putting it in the flour, redoing this, and then rolling it out. Now gang, my Rasoi Joy gang, I rarely make round rotis. I don't believe in that stuff. So I make whatever shape I want. Because I'm cool like that. So, not a round roti gang. So, I don't know why I do this. It's just something been taught. After you've obviously you've made your roti, you shall need to put on some batter, some tasty batter, because the butter helps keep the roti soft, and it also gives the parathe a nice buttery taste. I mean, everybody likes a wee bit of butter every now and then. But yes, folks, that is how you make. It's not even aloo parathe anymore. It's lentil aloo parathe. Dal aloo parathe. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed our journey together. I'm sorry it wasn't more detailed. I literally made aloo parathe by themselves. Gluten-free aloo parathe first for someone else. And then I had some dal left over, and I'd made dal parathe, but then I had potatoes left over, so I had to literally just incorporate it all in together. See, when you make them like this, you can't even tell there's any potatoes in there. Honestly. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry it wasn't as great as I wanted it to be. And I'm worried that the video's actually going to cut out anytime soon. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If there's something you would like me to make, I will attempt to make it. Now, I generally don't go around making paratha very often. It's simply because I had dal left over and I thought, let's make paratha. Because generally I live at home with my mom and my dad, and my mother likes to make food like, I'm pretty sure it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. She's like, food needs to be made, and I'm sitting there like, mother, no, it's too early. But yeah, so generally I'll make food when I'm allowed to. Or when I want to, really, which is rarely. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Make these paratha, tell me how they end up.